We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2016 Harley Davidson Sportster 48 in billet silver. Beautiful bike, lots of cool little details on here. We've got the Harley Davidson grips, the Vance & Hines intake. We also have the Arlen Ness exhaust. We will listen to that in a little bit. Oil pressure gauge on the dipstick, and a really comfortable Roland Sands design seat. Miles on this bike are pretty low. We're at 7,162. We're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.